Hello, this sample application illustrates use of an OdHatchEx object. It creates a DWG file filled with hatch entities. The calling sequence is OdHatchEx with the drawing file name. Several auxiliary methods are also used, such as addStyle and addBlock. Declare a custom services class that inherits EX system services, and declare EX host app services. We'll use this class later on. In the main method of the sample, first we verify the number of arguments passed. Then we create an instance of a custom services class and use it to initialize Teigha. Using an instance of the custom services class, we create an empty database and add the Verdana text style using the auxiliary addStyle method. Then we create a set of auxiliary objects. After, we create the first hatch object. We create the hatch object and add it to model space. And then specify hatch parameters, paying attention to the color. Next, we add a second hatch that illustrates a predefined pattern. We create the hatch object and add it to model space. Then we specify hatch parameters, paying attention to pattern-related methods. Next, we add a third hatch that illustrates a hatch with a circular hole. We create the hatch object and add it to model space. Then we specify hatch parameters. Next, we add a fourth hatch that illustrates an associative predefined hatch. We create the hatch object, add it to model space, and then specify hatch parameters. Then we define a custom hatch pattern. Then we register the pattern. Next, we add a fifth hatch that is an associative custom-defined hatch. We create the hatch object, add it to model space, and specify the hatch parameters, paying attention that the My Triangle pattern is used. Then we add a sixth hatch, a gradient hatch. We create the hatch object, add it to model space, and specify the hatch parameters, paying attention to the setGradient and setGradientColors methods. Then we save the database with the hatches to a file. The argument passed in the console will be the name of the file. Then perform Teigha uninitialization. Now let's open the console and start the sample. We specify the output file name, and hatch data will be shown in the program's output. Start ODA MFC app and open the DWG file created by the sample. You can see 6 different types of hatches. And that's it. Thank you.